Hello, in this video I will show you how you can change keyboard language on OPPO A5. So first of all you have to open the settings and from here scroll all the way down and go to System and Update. Now go to Keyboard and Input Method and here go to Manage Keyboards. Now click on Gboard and here go to Languages and now click on Add Keyboard over here. So now you can select what language whatever you want. So let's take some Arabic one because it's a good example. Arabian. Okay, let's take it's Cyrillic for example. Now click done, and it's selected in your keyboard languages and layouts. So let's open the keyboard right now, and I will show you how it looks like. Now I have the normal keyboard, English one, and I can select between my languages by using this button over here. So now I have Polish one. I'm clicking right now, and as you can see, I have this Cyrillic keyboard that I enabled. So you can switch between languages by using this button over here. Basically, that's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel.